Horse racing now. This year's fifth staging of the ultra-rich Mouttet Mile will have its activities spread over 2 days at Caymanas Park. Changes have also been made to the qualification system. Spencer Darlington reports.
While the Mouttet Mile remains listed for the first Saturday in December, the other major races to complement the event will now be contested over 2 days. The Mouttet Mile is set for Saturday, December 5, but some of the other supporting races will now be run on Friday, December 4. The announcement was made by Executive Chairman of Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited, Solomon Sharp, during the event's launch in the Director's Box at Caymanas Park on Saturday. The She's a Man-Eater Sprint, which is confined to Jamaican-bred horses only, is among the races set for the first day of the weekend carnival.
In addition to that, why have you left out the small man? The small man don't get a touch on Mouttet Mile Day. So we have shifted the $1.5 million race. We're going to increase that purse. Those details are to come in a couple of weeks. But we're going to run the $1.5 million race on Friday for a bigger purse than it was run last year. And we're going to also run a 350 claiming race and a 700 claiming race. So on Friday, we're going to have a version of the claiming crown, and the minimum purse for that $350,000 race will be $1.5 million. So we'll have a $350,000 race for 1.5, a $700,000 race for 1.5.
Meanwhile, a new points system has also been introduced for qualification to the Mouttet Mile.
And the decision was made to put points to various races throughout the season to secure a spot in the Mouttet Mile. All the win and you're in races have points allocated. First, 100, second, 50, third, 30, and fourth, 20. A full list of the points allocation will be available on our website, along with the conditions of the Mouttet Mile later on this afternoon. And of course, all these points will be retroactive to January 1.
Racing Secretary Denzel Miller Jr. also announced another adjustment for this year's event.
We've increased the positions from 8 to 10 for horses domiciled in Jamaica prior to January 1, and 6 slots will be there for horses shipped to the island after January 1. One, of course, will remain as an option to a New York-bred horse.
The first of 5 win and you're in races for the Mouttet Mile is slated for April 6, with the running of the Ian Levy Cup over 8.5 furlongs. The purse for the Mouttet Mile remains at US $300,000.